Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Notegpt. First of all, type Notegpt on Google search engine and it will take you to their official website. Now click on Add to Chrome, which is totally free. Click on Add extension and now it's added. Now what you can do is open youtube.com and open any video of your choice. Now once the video starts playing, what you can do is click on login. Now once you're signed in, you have two different options. The first one is for the subtitles and the second one is for summary. If I select the summary icon, now what it will do, it will create a small summary of what's happening in the video. It is very helpful when you're trying to break down a 2-hour complex topic into a small summary. And if you click on the transcript, it will automatically give you all the transcription or the captions of that video. You can also click on the AI chat and ask anything related to that specific video to understand that topic clearly. There are other options like AI mind map, AI podcast, AI presentation for the deep learning of the Notegpt. So that's simply how you can use Notegpt. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.